2018 Ford Transit. It is a half ton. It's an XLT. It's going to have the balance of the factory warranty. Windows are tinted all throughout. It's actually an 8-passenger. Tons of room, even behind the seats. It's nice. It still has the backup camera. It's got the big cargo doors. Let's see if that's unlocked. I mean, you've got 8 passengers, and then you have all this room in here. Low step. Open this thing up. It actually looks pretty decent with the tinted windows. Good lines on it. Let's check out the inside. There's your seating back there. It's got the rear air and all. Controls up front. Does have cruise control. Power windows, power locks. Big mirrors. It's like new, guys. Come and see us at Poage Chevrolet in Wentzville.